Hey friends, if the Windows keys is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select keyboard and make sure that all these three switches for sticky, filter and toggle keys are off. Now, once you have confirmed this, the next stage is to check for the keyboard. I mean, if you have an external keyboard, try connecting it and check if the Windows key is working on the ex external keyboard. If it's not, then perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now, if this does not help either, then take your system to a hardware technician. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.